Toothless, are those wing gliders here already? I'm still working on the launcher. I almost forgot the wings. For a wing glider, that is clearly the most important part. When you fly like this, you'll see work better than any dragon could. Then, without all the slaughter. Toothless! Wing glider! Wings! We'll save you! Stay calm! Got 10! Better make that one. You're doing great! Why are there always sheep? Well, the good news is you all get to see a bronco nest up close. Bad news is bronco eggs explode when they hatch. Looks like there's a way out up ahead.
Whatever you say, Hiccup.
And now you're trapped in the exploding bronco nest. Can this get any worse? Yeah, it's worse. It's officially worse. Here we go. This is why I love dragons. You're one special wing critic. Toothless and I